All right, so we're going to have one last question involving absolute value equations. And here's what we've got. We've got 2 times the absolute value of 3x plus 1 is equal to 20. So our step 1 says we have to isolate the expression with absolute value. So the absolute value of 3x plus 1 is what we need to isolate. Currently we have times 2, so we need to do the inverse of that. So the inverse of times 2 is divide by 2. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. Those cancel, and we're left with the absolute value of 3x plus 1 is equal to 10. Now we have the absolute value by itself, and we can take whatever's inside of it, 3x plus 1, and set it equal to the positive number on the right side, and set it equal to the negative version of that number. Let's solve both sides of the equation. So we have x equals 3, and then we're also going to have something a little different, and this might not be an integer, and that's okay. We have 3x is equal to negative 11, divide by 3, divide by 3. X is equal to, now you could put that as a decimal, but it's going to be a non-terminating repeating decimal, so I'm just going to leave it as a fraction. A lot of times when you have a decimal that doesn't work out very nicely and it's not something that you can, that terminates, it's sometimes better to leave it as a fraction so that you have an exact representation of the number itself. So that's all for tonight. Good luck on finishing the homework, and we'll review more in class next time.